I know people that are engineers and are now in marketing. So hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth if you're new here. So before I get into the whole video, I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you that asked me to drop another video. Again, I'm appreciating you guys because it meant a lot to me. I'm appreciating you guys because it meant a lot to me. Yes. And second of all, I'd like to say something. It might sound contradicting, right? Because of the topic I'm about to talk about. But this is it. Like, I'm saying this because of someone asked me the question on my channel. So the person asked me if I could. And I said no, I don't code. Then the person was like, and this one thing that I've realized is that because I studied computer science doesn't necessarily mean I have to code. Computer science is a very broad field. There are other things there. There's data analysis, there's UI UX design. There are other pieces that you do not necessarily, there's project management. There's a lot of things that you do not necessarily have to code. In the same way, not all engineers are like engineers. Not everyone that studied engineering is an engineer. I know engineers are now into marketing and things like that. So do not have to box yourself because all in the name of, oh, I studied engineer, I have to become an engineer. Yes, you did that, you earned that, you're still an engineer, but you don't have to necessarily practicalize, you don't have to necessarily do it. You don't have to box yourself all in the name of, oh, I must do what I want to study. But if you want to do it, there's no problem. It's amazing. Yes, hearing that, oh, you're a computer science student and you are coding, it's amazing, but there are other aspects to it. So yeah, those are the things that I wanted to say before I start the video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing career opportunities you can explore as a computer science student or a computer science graduate. So computer science is a very broad field, just like medicine, where you can see there's pharmacy, there's dent dent like dentology, if I can say, like dentist. There are different in ophthalmology. There are different aspects. There are different fields in medicine. In the same way, there are different fields in computer science. We're talking data. We are talking cybersecurity. We are talking DevOps. We are talking a lot of fields. So like it's not just one. Like there's a lot, and more is still there to come. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing five, just five. There are more, but it's five I'm going to be mentioning today. Today, five career opportunities you can explore in the computer science field. The first one is web development, software development. So web development, when I mean software development, it's just development of software. Software is like the inside of the computer. The hardware is the hard part of the computer, like keyboard and the mouse. I know I'm embarrassing you guys by saying that it's the soft part of the computer, but it's what makes the computer function, right? That's the software. So we have software development, and software development meaning development of software, development of application softwares like websites. You are developing an app, so you're just developing those things. And under software development, there are also other career opportunities there. We see front end developer, back-end developer, UI UX design, and even a database engineer. So computer science is very broad. One thing is related to another thing. Under one, you can find another one. So that's how broad computer science is. So don't limit yourself, guys. Like there's a lot for you. There's a lot that you can next. So the next career opportunity in computer science is data analysis and data science. So data analysis is just analyzing data to get insights. And when you get insights, by using the insights to make better decisions for businesses or for any firm. Data analysis, you can use it in business, in healthcare, in any organization, honestly, because now that we're in a world of data, so a lot of data will be needed, and that is why your service as a data analyst will be needed, so that these companies are not just making random decisions, but they're making like well data informed decisions. So that's why you are needed. And to go advanced, we have data science, we have machine learning, where you use machine learning techniques to like predict the future of a business or predict the future of anything. Like even in medicine, we can use data for wine classification, breast cancer classification, and things like that. It's a wild field. It's a wide field, guys. So like, don't box yourself. Then the next one is UI UX design. I know that I've mentioned that on that software development, but UI UX design is beyond me putting pink, purple, blue, something. No, it's designing user centric designs, intuitive designs. Like when I use this app, do I have to think 100 times before I know that okay, this is the start button, this is the thing, like it is designing user centric. Like okay, for example, let's say you are considering an app for people in their 60s or in their 70s. You can't just put anything that will cause them to have to think or call their child. You will design an app like according to who is going to use it. So it's beyond just colors. It's about designing interactive sites and apps for people. So yeah, we are the next one we have is cloud engineering, and these are the people that design cloud-based systems. We have cloud engineers and we have cloud architects. You should read more about those people. Then finally, the last but not the least, we have so much more. Like do your research, ask ChatGPT if you're too lazy to do your research. Like tech tech opportunities, like things you can go for. The last but not the least, and I feel like a lot of people are going to, is cyber security. So cyber security, I've had cyber security in my final year. So cyber security is protecting your systems or data from attacks, from malicious attacks, from hackers, not from hackers are good. So just protecting your data, protecting your system from like the hackers, from like attackers and things like that. Under cybersecurity, we have security analysts and we have ethical hackers. So like they're just protecting your systems or your data from like hackers. There are different type of ways they can get into your system. There are different type of cyber attack strategy. We have phishing, we have spamming. Like I've been learning about cybersecurity since I was in secondary school. So like cybersecurity is still continually going to be there. I feel like cybersecurity is not going to stop. So far so good. These are the five career opportunities I can mention in this video. I'll see you in the next video. But if you are interested in any of this field, do well to do your research, ask ChatGPT for help. And if you see that okay, maybe none of this, you're not interested in this, we have project managers. Like you can explore. Like we live in a versatile world. You don't have to be boxed in anything. Like and that's what again I've realized something, and that's what is beautiful about this one. You're not just boxed. There's so many opportunities, so you don't have to box yourself like, oh, I must do this, I must do that. You must not do it. Like you are allowed to change, you're allowed to evolve. So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video and bye.